All right, y'all, so check it out. I was on the way to somewhere, and my path just happened to bring me by Two Fat Guys Off-Road. And I figured I'd stop in and say hello because they took care of me. They went off-roading out to the Wolf Cave. Look at that. That's insane, man. I took my Jeep Gladiator out there, didn't want to take it on any trails. I didn't want to break anything before I take a trip back to Florida. So I said, hey, if anybody can I ride with? So they offered up a Jeep for me to ride in. Even when I got out there, they gave me choices of Jeeps I can sit and hang out in. That's pretty cool. And I said, well, if I ever come by there, I'll come by here, say hello, introduce myself to everybody, and just have a little quick conversation. So I'm gonna go check them out.
I've got this thing well over legal speed from the highway, but it drives just as nice as, now the front helps are locked, but we're trying to work better without it. See the lines?
Yep.
They go to a controller right back there. So other than that, there's no other steering. We're gonna try doing that on Valerie's to where that's what's got. So that way you can move the front end wherever you want.
Right. Got more adjustability.
Yep.
The adjustable suspension is pretty cool too. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, so
that's pretty cool.
So this is how it works.
See that winch up under there.
Well, it's got a winch there and that way. So another one back here, another one underneath. So it's got 3 winches on board. That one's to get myself out of trouble. That one is to adjust the back.
This, my friends, is Two Fat Guys Off-Road. Check them out. Hey, look, so I made a quick little trip, stopped by there. They gave me a little quick tour of the shop, and the only way I can explain Two Fat Guys Off-Road is geniuses. I mean, it is excellence. They know what they're doing. Not only do they wheel their vehicles, but they work on the vehicles that they wheel, and you can't beat that. And I'm not talking about like a couple years of experience. They got years and years of experience. They got years and years of knowledge in that place. And I learned some things today. I learned some things about GM engines. I learned some things about the JL and JT frames. And I learned something about the parts that they use when they're fixing their vehicles, whether it's something on the suspension, or electrical components, or whatever. And they got some of their own stuff that they're designing. Not gonna tell you what it is. I'm gonna have to let that fall out in a future video when they give me a tour of the shop. But I had a lot of fun there. And I got a chance to ride in the buggy. I had a video of him wheeling in the buggy out at Wolf Caves, but I didn't get a chance to ride in it, and I got a chance to ride it on the road. And let me tell you something, that thing handles great. It's good rig, it's set up right. I don't know what else to tell you. You gotta be in it, you gotta just see the thing. But anyway, not to keep dragging this on, look, if you got anything that you need to have looked at, off-road, on-road, four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, doesn't matter what it is. The knowledge and the expertise, Hey, the bar is high. So like I said before, if you need something taken care of, give Two Fat Guys Off-Road a call. I promise you, they'll get you right. Hey, y'all stay safe out there. Don't forget to smile and go out and change your life. Peace out, y'all.